Good morning, this is Alfred from Minster. I want to talk you through our system called the ProEye DTR. That is a rescue assistance system, and it's fully autonomous. And it works this way. We have laser beams around the hull. So if something breaks the laser beam, the alarm goes off. But it only goes off when there is a person falling through the laser beams. When the alarms go off, the drone will start going to the location where the person is in the water. It flies out, it descends down to 2 meters, and it drops an inflatable device. It also fills and sends the live stream to the bridge all the time. After dropping the inflatable device, it hovers up to 40 meters, and it's starting flashing and giving signals, so it's easy to find for the man overboard raft coming for rescue. The drone flies itself, and it goes back to the garage after the mission, and it starts recharging. And it knows the position all the way, and it has an AIS device, so you can follow the drone on Actis, and other vessels can also follow the drone on their map. And if there is a rescue helicopter coming to the area, it can be spotted by the pilots in the helicopter. And you can abort the mission, so it will be in the way. And also you can use this system for surveillance. You can launch the drone, it's easy to fly. You just point your finger on the screen, and the drone will fly exactly where you have making the flight track. And you just push go fly, and it flies, and it comes back where it is. So this is a high-end technology using for trying to save people fall overboard, because if you only detect a person falling overboard, it's hard to find in the middle of the night. And when the sea state is high, it's also challenging to find a person. Now we have a tight window for 5 to 10 minutes, and the drone will be there to drop an inflatable device, so the person has something to hold on to until they get rescued some minutes later. So we think this is very innovative, and we really sold our product.
One more question. Has this system been deployed on any ships currently?
We are deploying currently on ships back in Norway. And we done it this way that one drone can serve 4 ships because they are sailing in very limited areas. So that's a great way of using this drone. And it is testing for more than 14 months in harsh weather in Norway, through winter storms, through strong daylights, a lot of waves, and things like that. And it's very low maintenance in this system.
What is the cost of each of these units?
Well, the price range will be about 3.6 million for a ship up to, let's say, 320 meters.
What is your message to cruise lines or any prospective customers?
Well, we think that lives matters whatever. And even if the person may pass away, the next of kin, the family will get the body home and get to grave. But we really want them to have this, to be able to try to bring them back in life. So we don't think that we should put a price on a human life. So do the best you can to have a safe voyage with the Christian.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank